Hey everybody, coming back with another quick video today. We've got a Toshiba VCR. This is model W627. Nice little VCR. This one has some extras with it. Comes with a sealed VHS. Does have the original instruction manual. Throw in a RCA cord, and it does have the remote control with it as well. We tested this one seems to work just fine. The only trick with this is that when you plug it in, it has an auto function where it wants to automatically set the time and date and find hooked up channels from the antenna, and so you have to cancel out of that auto function to get into the normal functionality of the VHS player. But I'll go ahead and show you, give you a little test of this. I'll go ahead and turn it on here. Power. Insert got an old recorded VHS here. It'll read that it's got a tape in there, as you can see. Hit play.
Rosedale, Chevrolet in Roseville, and Suburban Chevrolet in downtown Hopkins. Our combined inventory of over 200 trucks must go now. Through Saturday only, we're offering S10 pickups as low as $69.95. $500 rebates on full-size pickups. Four-wheel drive Suburbans only $15,995. Plus a few remaining conversion vans with discounts up to $6,000. Only through Saturday, only at Rosedale and Suburban Chevrolet.
See, it works pretty good even with that old recorded tape. It tracks it and plays it pretty well. Hit rewind here. See, the rewind works pretty well. Fast forward. Fast forward works. Like I said, it's got the original remote. The remote seems to work well. So, all in all, this is a pretty nice little unit. Appreciate you watching. Thanks.